Hey moms, so in this video I am going to just be sharing some cleaning tips and just mom hacks in general to help you keep your house clean while also taking care of your kids and everything else that's going on. All right, so tip number one is what I like to do is plan out my week. And plan out the times and days of when and where I want to clean. That helps me a lot, so then at least I have like an idea of what it is I want to do, because if I don't, then I often just either forget to clean certain places or certain things, or just don't do it because I end up not having enough time because I didn't plan ahead, Of course, plans are going to change, things are going to change. Mom life is crazy in general. So this is just a good way to try and stay organized about it and just to, get as many things done as possible so that you're less stressed. Tip number two. So what I like to do is whenever I'm in a specific area of the house, like let's say, for example, the kitchen, I like to do like 5-minute spree cleanings. So basically what that means is I will dedicate 5 minutes to cleaning the entire area while I'm doing something in the kitchen, whether it's making Elena food, doing dishes, or anything else. Whatever it was that I was supposed to go in there to do, I'm gonna add something extra to it that I can get done and only give myself 5 minutes to get that one thing done. Just so that I get more things cleaned and do it in like a timely manner, and I'm not like stressing about it and focusing on it too much to where I'm doing it all day long. Tip number three. So for laundry, I end up having a ton of laundry. And I mean, honestly, all us moms are gonna have like tons of laundry to do. It's never ending. It is never going to be finished. So don't stress about that. But what you can do to help lighten the load is to, for one, do one load of laundry every single day. It doesn't have to be like a huge load. I'll do a small or a medium load. And then what I do is the laundry, I put it in the basket. Hey. And then me and Elena make it a fun time to kind of just put the clothes away together, and she really enjoys it. Also, if you do have a lot of laundry as well, I also do a like laundry day, which is any of the laundry that is left over after I've done my one load a day. I usually do Sundays is I finish the rest of the laundry, or at least a majority of it, and make sure my husband's work clothes are clean, the stuff that I need is clean, and all of Elena's stuff is clean, so that she's got some new outfits to wear and everything, because let me tell you the messes this girl makes, right? You make huge messes. But if you're liking the video so far, make sure to go down below, comment about any of these tips that I've shared, if you've never tried them before, if you're going to try them, and just let me know like if this was helpful for you, and don't forget to like the video. If you want to see more videos like this too, or any other mom tips and ways to make money from home, feel free to subscribe and just check out my other videos. Tip number 4 is what I like to do when I'm cleaning and Elena is awake in the room with me, trying to play and everything. I try to show her and teach her how to clean up and make it something fun, so that she's also helping me, she's learning how to do it, and then eventually when she gets bigger, she'll do it, and I mean, she won't argue with me about it all the time. So that is a bonus, definitely. And what I also bought her, which is super cute, is a little broom and dustpan. I'll have to show you guys in a little bit, but it is so cute. I love it, and she loves it. She also really loves using the real one too, so I let her, sweep around the floor. You got your little broom. Where's your dustpan? I haven't been able to find the dustpan, but she's got her little broom. You gonna sweep? You gonna sweep? Yeah, good job. Tip number 5 is pretty straightforward. I avoided this for so long, and I honestly needed to do it sooner. Get rid of things that you don't need. Like, just do it. Just do it. Sell it on Facebook, sell it on Poshmark, sell it on whatever. Do a yard sale. Get rid of stuff that you don't need. Like this thing, we don't need this anymore. We're gonna get a new one for our new baby. Just because this one was a little too big for Elena. She's a smaller kid. I was smaller when I was a baby too, so she's like the same size that I was. And so yeah, she just didn't really use it much. So I would rather get one that we're actually gonna use, because this one takes up a lot of space as well. And we don't need it at the moment. So I'm gonna sell it. I have a car seat I'm selling. I have like tons of toys that Elena does not use anymore that we're selling. Of course, we're gonna keep toys, you know, for the new baby that's coming. Cause I am 5 months pregnant, so 4 months to go. But yeah, definitely. You've got to go through stuff, and not just the kids stuff, like really go through your things and be like, do I use this? How often do I use this? Do I really need this, or do I want this? Why do I want this? And so on and so forth. So just like really quiz yourself a little bit on if you actually need the things, because there's no point in keeping them if they're gonna sit in your closet for years. Like some of my stuff, like I am so guilty of this. So if you're guilty of this, let me know down below. But feel free to check out some of these other videos that I'm going to put up on here, because I do more videos like this, and I have a lot of other videos and a lot of helpful content that I share here. And I also am on Instagram if you want to connect on there. I'm on there a lot. So I hope you all have a wonderful day or night, whatever time it is. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Say bye.